Avram, a kid's difference between solo, duo and trio models. In our social media channels where people discuss our products, I've seen that not everybody understands what's the real difference between these series. The first thing to say is it's nothing to do with bathrooms or bedrooms. So trio series, duo and solo. The main difference is the size of the truss. Solo models are just one floor, no loft. This space on that beam here is not enough to create a loft. Duo, it's bigger and you can have a pretty decent sleeping loft here or storage area. And trio, it's a 9 meters, big one. So you can have all your living area downstairs and your sleeping rooms upstairs. These are, by the way, 1 to 10 models of our trusses. Solo trusses are 4.2 by 4.2 and 4.2 meters, equilateral triangle. Duo is 5.7 and trio is 9 meter triangles. And the number 57 or 75 or 100 actually indicates the length of the building. Probably you've seen our floor plans, and it indicates like the bedrooms and the bathrooms and the couch over there and kitchen and staircase. Actually, one good thing about A-frames is we don't have load-bearing walls, so we can alter floor plans. If the overall size fits your needs, but you need an extra bedroom, well, you can split this one or move everything. All the floor plans can be altered within the exterior dimensions. You can't alter the exteriors because these trusses, we can't really change them, but interiors, no problem. When we are talking in our website about modifications, we mostly say that you can add dormers and skylights and decks and terraces, but it's also about internal planning. You can create a functionality of the building by yourself, or hire a local architect, or hire us to do it.